It's been 6 months since your hair transplant now, and chances are you've already started to see great progress, and it's just the beginning. In this video, I'll share a few important tips for you to follow over the next 2 months to make sure your hair grows in properly. We'll go over how to treat your scalp, hair growth results to expect, scheduling your checkup. Let's get right into it. As hair continues to grow in, you may notice pimples or ingrown hairs in the transplanted area. Again, this is normal and is actually a good sign that the hair is growing. To relieve any irritation, apply a hot compress to the area. Ingrown hairs will grow out and pimples will diminish on their own. No, you aren't just imagining it. Your hair is growing. By now, your transplanted hair may have grown as long as 1.5 inches. Your new hair growth will likely have a baby-fine texture. While early results are likely noticeable by now, they'll only improve over time as your hair continues to thicken and grow over the next 6 months. Your physician can help you better evaluate your full potential hair growth and address any additional needs you may have. Your 8 to 10 month checkup with your physician is coming up soon. During this appointment, you'll have the chance to view your before photos and see your progress. Many patients like to use this meeting to discuss long-term maintenance strategies, and in some cases, address untreated areas or improve the density and thickness from the previous procedure. Feel free to explore your additional options at this time. Popular ways to keep the hair you have and grow thicker, fuller hair are to use the Bosley Revitalizer laser cap, Bosley RX prescription medications, and Bosley MD topical products. We look forward to seeing you soon.